guys, what's up? This is a tutorial on how to like what to do with basketballs, like what you don't want to do and what you do want to do. So we'll have 5 steps for we'll have 10 steps, 10 things to say and stuff like that. So stuff that has to do with basketball to help you get better. So this is for beginners. The first rule is rule number 1. The first rule is you don't want to throw the ball like this. Otherwise you'll get too much power. Otherwise you'll get too much power and you won't be able to throw the ball and make things shoot. But I can make it throwing it like this. See how much power you see? Never throw the ball like that if you're in a real game. Otherwise you'll mess up and you'll play out. Next, don't. Okay, here are the do's. The do's. There's gonna be a couple do's and don't do's and a couple don't do's. Okay, so here's another do. Dribble the ball. Don't not dribble the ball. You have to dribble the ball, otherwise it will be called a double dribble. No, otherwise it will be called a travel, and you don't want that to be called. Otherwise it's the other team's ball, and they get a free throw. So don't do that. Woo! That's crazy. Rule number 2. You may not want to dribble with one hand. It's kind of tempting to, if you're a beginner, you don't want to dribble like this. This is you have to dribble with one hand, although it may be tempting to travel to what do you call it? Dribble with 2 hands. Otherwise that'll be called a dribble. Rule number 3, don't take more than 1.5 steps. Okay, see, you don't want to take more than 1.5 steps, otherwise that's another way of making it travel. So, don't take more than 1.5 steps. So, but probably what you want to do is do 1.5 steps once you're at it. See how I missed? I did that on purpose. 1.5 steps. So, and here are a couple tips. So, here are 2 tips that I wanted to tell you guys to do. So, don't dribble the ball like really high, like this, and don't use your palm. Some people use their palm like this to bounce the ball. You want to bounce the ball like this. Not like this, or like this, like this, like that. Because you kind of know how, like, the groove of the ball and how it's going to look once you bounce it. Okay, so, tip number 2. So the second tip I wanted to tell you guys can't see it from here, but I'll move it. You think I wasn't going to move it? So tip number 2. Do you guys see, okay, so on this basketball hoop, my head in the way? Do you see that white square above the actual orange hoop? I'm trying to move you guys so you can see it. Above the orange circle. That's called the white square. That's what I'm gonna call it, the white square. If you guys can see it, good for you. If you can't, oof. So yeah, after that, you see that orange, not the orange, the white circle. You want to aim for that. You want to aim the ball at the orange circle. I'll show you guys. No, not the orange circle. What am I yapping about? The white circle. Like this. Hit the white circle. I went a little bit above there. But hit the white square. Square. Square, 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 square. I hit the square. I went a little bit above it. See, most of the time you hit the white square, you're gonna make it. Yeah, so once you hit the white square, you're gonna do that. Yeah, see that? So after that, you're gonna. So those were the 2 tips I wanted to show you guys. So here are the don't do's. Don't travel. Don't travel. Don't walk with the ball in your hands. Always dribble. And also, so if you're a beginner, you don't have to travel through, you don't have to go through the legs, but this is just a tip for you guys need to see me dribbling through my legs. Like that. This will help keep the players from moving, and this will keep the players from getting the ball, and it makes it harder for them to keep track of where you're gonna go. So I could do this and walk this way, or they might think that I can go this. I messed that up. That I can go this way. That I can go this way. I hope you guys enjoyed that part, because that took me a while to actually. Oh my gosh! That was a moment. Anyways, yeah. So here are a couple. Yeah, that was the first don't do. The second, you guys are too high. Work with me. Here's the second don't do. Don't use 2 hands to dribble. Although it may be tempting at first. That's another car. Did you know that? That's another car. Yeah, always bounce it with 1 hand. If you're a beginner, you might want to bounce with your right hand at first. But once you get into the NBA, you have to dribble it like this. Like this. You have to learn how to dribble with your left hand, otherwise you won't make it in the NBA. If you do want to be in the NBA. But yeah. Here are the kind of weird things that can happen. During this, and kind of irritating. So during basketball, you can throw the ball, and then it'll like swirl around the hoop, the orange hoop, and it'll be very annoying. It'll be very annoying once it swirls around the hoop and comes back out. It's a 50-50 chance of it coming out or going in. So I'm gonna, yeah, so it's annoying. The next irritating and weird thing that can happen is throwing the ball and randomly making a swish and you didn't even need to. I'm just kidding. Why would that be a weird fact? Throwing the ball up and then bouncing from the hoop, on the hoop, and then onto those springs. I'm gonna move you again for some reason. Do you see those springs? If you guys can see, they're right there. Those are the springs. What I just pointed to are the springs, and they are very annoying. So yeah, you want to avoid throwing at the springs, and try to throw at the white square I showed you about earlier. Like this. The next weird, interesting, irritating fact about basketball. throwing the ball, and there's someone guarding you right here, and you go to throw it up, and then they guard you, and then it hits it off their hand, and then they technically made it. I don't know why. That's just the rules of the NBA. Apparently they make it even though they didn't make it. They just touched it. And they're like, ooh, they're like. Also, this is not sponsored. Yeah. So, I'm doing tricks on my basketball now. And, yeah. I love Battle Cats. It's adorable. Stop! Stop! Anyways. The next kind of these are the master tips. Going through your legs. I already shared this, but these are just some master tips. There are a couple that that I can't do in here. That I wish I could, but I can't. But yeah. Going through the legs is one of the things. Spinning the ball on your finger, which is also a kind of cool fact, which is also kind of cool. You have to be able to jump it up in the air and then let it go on your finger. For some reason, my dad can do it, but I can't. Probably because he's older. But yeah. The next thing that NBA players can do, they can. Why did I turn you around? That was so random. They can throw a shot from like 50 yards away and still make it. Imagine I made it. The next thing. This is something that you see on Dude Perfect every day. Backward shots. See that? I'm not good at it. See, I can kind of throw it. Okay, I'm looking at the camera to see if I made it. Oh my god! Guys, I did it. I'm Dude Perfect. I'm actually Dude Perfect. Well, that didn't show Dude Perfect. The next thing. The next tip. Bouncing the ball into the hoop. It's hard for me, but I can still do it. And also, I'm gonna go pump this ball up. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I just pumped this ball up, and it's full of air, so that's a good thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to make a shot like this. Not like that. You gotta curve it. Like, can you guys see me? You can barely see me. Not like that. Dang it. More like. Not like that. Not like that either. Did you think I was gonna actually throw it at you? Come on, guys. Let's try this. Okay, do you guys see that it's not working? And I keep attempting it, but I fail. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I don't want to make this video too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want to see more videos like this, just comment. I would be happy to make more videos like this. I am available to make shorts on the weekdays.